Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
The Parliamentary Budget Officer has already proven that the Liberal carbon tax, just like the Prime Minister, is not worth the cost, saying the vast majority of people are worse off under a carbon pricing regime than without. This is partly because of the economic cost that the carbon tax imposes. One of our members for Winnipeg asked the PBO if the government had done an economic analysis of the cost, and he said yes, but they're blocking its release, referring to it as a gag order. Why the carbon tax cover-up?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Speaker, we of course respect the work of the Parliamentary Budget Officer, who provides independent analysis to this government. In this instance, however, the Parliamentary Budget Officer admitted that he made a mistake with his carbon pricing reports, using incorrect analysis and modelling, which emphasises what we've been saying all along, Mr. Speaker, that 8 out of 10 Canadians get more money back from the Canada Carbon Rebate while we fight climate change. The next Canada Carbon Rebate is actually going to be arriving on the 15th of July in Canadians' bank accounts right across the country. We will continue to put money in people's pockets and fight climate.
The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
If that was true, he would simply release the report with the real cost of the carbon tax that he's been hiding. But the Auditor General released another report showing that this Prime Minister is not worth the corruption or cost after 9 years. $123 million in spending in the Prime Minister's Green Slush Fund broke the rules. According to one of the bureaucrats involved, the entire expenditure resembles the Liberal sponsorship scandal. Will he take personal responsibility for these costs and corruption, or will he just blame others again?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, the Minister has already taken measures to ensure that these programs are properly spent, that the processes are properly followed in terms of contracts. We know we need to continue to ensure value for money for taxpayers, while at the same time continuing to step up on the fight against climate change, on the creation of a green economy. That is why we continue to deliver a Canada Carbon Rebate that puts more money in 8 out of 10 Canadians' pockets in regions where it is, at the same time as we fight climate change effectively right across the country.
Hear, hear. I'm just going to ask all members to please not take the floor. As a person who has been recognized by the chair to ask the question or to answer the question, so that not only that the chair can hear all the questions and that all members can hear, but especially those who use translation devices, it's difficult for them to hear over the ambient sound.